Hey everybody, it's Cynthia Maynard and thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I have a little bit of a haul video. I've had lots of different things recently and I just haven't had a chance to put it all in one big haul video, so it's kind of coming in bits but as things come in. But anyway, I wanted to share with you some things that I've gotten from a certain online place. He who must not be named is what I call it. And I try to be careful what I get there, but there are some particular things that I thought I didn't have in my own stash and couldn't find where to readily get them. So I went ahead and got them, and I was going to show them to you today. So one that I've had for a while is this one. I put it on my own magnetic sheet, and it is the neatest die set, and I've not seen it anywhere else. So it comes with all of these sizes of book dies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 sizes, obviously ranging from itty bitty little baby books to all the way up to these larger ones here. So it also comes with 2 binder sets, a little banner die, 2 bookmarks that I've used in another video. If you see my mini album that I made, the bright pastel plaid one. These are really, really cute. And then this little sort of binding thing there, so which can be used for these tiny ones. So I made a couple just to play around with them, and I'm going to do a lot more with them. I cut out a teeny tiny one. This isn't even the smallest. This is this one. Okay, so they all have that same shape of the open book with the pages and then the point here. And I just stitched in. I didn't even do it straight. I was such in a hurry to try it out. I just cut one piece of paper out and then some just filler paper, and you can make a tiny, and I just stitched it up there, make a tiny little journal, and then you can use the little clasps to fold over and hook that, or hook it however you want to hook it. And I just thought that's really cute. Also a great idea if you have like doll toys and things, if you want to make little doll books and stuff like that, or you can make just little tiny, teeny tiny little journals and whatever. So you can even print out on paper in Word and write tiny little messages and print them out and cut them out and put them in here. So anyway, that's a small one. And then here's one I did in felt. I'm not finished with it yet, but since I'm videoing this, I thought I'd finish it up. I made this felt flower. This is a Spellbinders die, posies, pansy, I can't remember the rest of it, but it has the word posy in it. And then this little stitched heart one is also from He Who Must Not Be Named. And then this twine is in the middle here from my stash. And so this is of felt, and I poked 2 holes in there and sort of bound it with some embroidery floss, I guess that is, cross-stitching floss. And then just put some paper in there to try that out. So that's the biggest size. So you can see this is the second, maybe the third from the bottom, smallest. So quite a range that you get with this die set, and it's really nice. And I've used these, and the little banner is cute too. And then you can do all sorts of fun things with that, right? All right, so that's that one. Next up here is this coffee. This is from Alina Craft, and the shipping on these ones from Alina Craft is, the book one isn't from there, is about 2 weeks. So I thought that was pretty good. So this comes with 3 pieces. You get a coffee cup, you get the lid and sort of steam coming out, and then the little holder. So I made this one with that. You can see that there. And I cut it out twice. So I cut out the band in this taupe, and then I cut it out again in glimmer paper and inserted the heart in there so it would have a little bit of shimmer. And of course you can do all sorts of things to this and, you know, have fun with that. But it's a great little mini embellishment there. So that is a coffee cup one. Easter coming. If you ordered now, you probably would get it just in time, or maybe have it for next Easter. And that's this Easter basket one. So you get this basket piece, which is really fun. This like eyelet lace trim. You get some grass. You get a bow, and it has a hole that you could put like a brad through. And then you get the little Easter eggs. Now I didn't put it together correctly, or at least like they had it in the picture, so you could look at the picture to see if you want to do it their way. But this is my little basket I made. So very cute. It's got that little textural element there. I poked the lace on the inside. You could put another, here are my eggs. I cut that out of some digital paper I had. And you could put another row of grass peeking out behind there. Would be great too. And then I have the bow here, and then I just put a little rhinestone. And on the back, since it's like this, like if you want to use it for a tag or something, you could just simply, I'm going to probably do this later here, cut out another one of these in this color, and then just back it on the back there. And then your only thing you'll see are those eggs instead of seeing all this part here on what appears to be unfinished. So I thought that was really pretty. And you could put food in here, like a little picnic basket. You could put a little baby stuff in here. You could do all sorts of things that aren't necessarily Easter or spring related. So I thought that was a really cute one. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces with that you can use in other projects as well. I just have one more today that I had time to gather up here, and that is this one, this little camera set. So you get this camera, it's that kind of there that has the little flash that pops up there. You get this piece which covers, let's see here, so that covers like that. You get this piece, which at first reminded me of like an Instagram photo, but I guess you're supposed to put it up here like that. And then you get this little heart that you can put in the middle of these circles. So you get the circle, like the little lens, this goes around it, and then there's a little heart you can put there, or you can put it wherever. So this is the camera that I made with that. Thought it turned out really fun. So I just use this like coral paper. I use the bigger circle to cut out, actually, let's see here. Yeah, this bigger circle cuts out this blue piece, and then this smaller one cuts out this little tiny rim. The heart is the gold, and then that overlay piece there, and this flash piece goes up here. And you can make embellishments out of that. You could turn this into a tag. You can layer it on whatever. Lots of things you could do with that. So I thought that was really fun. So thought if you're interested in those types of little fun things to do, I thought, especially this book die, I really think this is a really useful die set. I think you can do lots of things with that. And it was only like, I want to say it was around $4. I thought, oh, that would be really fun to play around with, make some little books, and have fun with that. So hopefully that will give you some ideas even out of your own stash if you've got similar things, or if you want to go check those items out. I just wanted to share with you what I got recently, and I have other things that I'm working on. I picked up from Tuesday morning recently the tab punch board, and I've been having fun with that, and some other things as well that I've gotten that I just haven't gotten around to filming. So hang in there, subscribe, and hit the bell so you are receiving notifications of new videos. Thanks guys so much, and have a great day.